name is Sylvain from Confection, Senior Tech over at Confection. Today we're gonna look how to clean the cappuccino maker. First, you need some tools. You need your cleaning agent, either in solution or the pills. You need some brushes to clean up the inside of the hoses in the assembly. Dry cloth. And some jugs to hold the water and cleaning solution. Also, you can use the cleaning guide provided with your machine. So first, open the door of your unit. Now you can take apart the cappuccino maker. Bring the lever down so that the nozzle and spout go down. Remove the bottom cover. Pull on the T-shaped adapter, then just lift. Put that aside. Next, you'll need to unplug the hoses. B hose goes on the top. Gently pinch and pull out. That's the A hose. It goes on the side. Again, pinch and pull. And each component can be taken apart. And bring that over to the sink, and we'll put those parts into the cleaning solution. So now, fill the sink with water, pour your detergent in it. Then you drop your components inside the water, of course, and let them soak. Once you're ready and the components have synced enough, drain the sink, wash the components with clear water, and make sure to brush each component. Make sure that there's no leftover residues of milk inside any of the components. And of course, clean your tools after using them. And make sure to let air dry all your components. While you got all the components outside the machine, it's a good time to clean the inside of the assembly. Just use a wet cloth and wipe off any residues left inside. We're now ready to reassemble all the components. A hose goes on the side, pinch the hose, and push all the way in. The hose goes on top. And put the front piece back in place. Tilt it at an angle. Insert and lock. Make sure also that the top piece goes underneath the bracket. Once you get that, put the cover back in place. To clean your cappuccino maker, you need your cleaning agent. Mandatory to read the labels and follow the instructions. You need the right amount of water, and you just pour the liquid according to the manufacturer's directions. Take the hose out from the fridge. Enter your password, 4444. Go to daily actions and cleaning. Then you just hit milk cleaning complete. Put a cup under the stud and follow the instructions on the screen. It says remove milk, hit OK. Hint from the pros: while the cleaning is done on your machine, while the cleaning cycle has started, it's a good time to clean your milk fridge if you do have one with your machine. Once your cleaning cycle has been completed, just discard any water left over. Make sure not to drink any of this solution. Wipe off any water from the tube. Make sure that the surrounding of the machine is clean and tidy. And put your hose back into the milk.